Daud! Na. Say hi. See? He's sleepy and he won't sleep. Look what he did na. Huh? He did that because he moves too much. Na, Daud. And look. See? See what he's doing? There's a very huge space at his back and he's forcing himself to come up here. He can't because we put pillows under so he won't fall. See? Come na, Daud. Baby. Baby tutu. Ah. Ba. Ba. Ana, Daud. Look at what he's doing. When he's sleepy, he crawls like that. Look at what he's doing. He moves too much na. That's why he lost weight. He moves too much na. That's why he lost weight. Look. Roll here, roll there. He rolls everywhere. Sleep na, baby. Look at the puwet. Look at the puwet. Because he's sleepy na, but he won't sleep. Makulit eh. Before he sleeps, he keeps rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling until he falls asleep. Until he's tired. Look at the puwet. She had the puwet, babate. Uy. Ay. Look na. That's my baby brother. That is my baby brother. I don't know how. What are you looking at, Be? What you looking at, Be? Put that on your mouth. Like what you used to do. Every night, Nanay puts socks on his feet, but when he woke up, he will remove it. She don't like. Chuhada, baby.